equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive maintenance guide for the Asus 634J. Today, we'll cover the essential steps to keep your device running smoothly. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You'll require a Phillips screwdriver, a can of compressed air, a microfiber cloth, and thermal paste for reapplying if necessary. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove the battery if possible. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Once the back panel is off, you'll see the internal components. Start by using the can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and vents. This is crucial for maintaining optimal airflow and preventing overheating. Make sure to hold the can upright to avoid any moisture getting into the device. Next, take the microfiber cloth and gently wipe down any accessible surfaces. This will help remove fingerprints and dust that can accumulate over time. If you notice any thermal paste on the CPU or GPU, it might be time to replace it. Clean off the old paste with isopropyl alcohol and apply a small amount of new thermal paste. Remember, a little goes a long way. After cleaning, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Align the back panel carefully and screw it back into place. Ensure all screws are tightened but avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the casing. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Once reassembled, plug in your laptop and power it on. Check that all fans are running smoothly and listen for any unusual noises. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us. We provide quotes before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Finally, make it a habit to perform this maintenance every few months. Regular upkeep will prolong the life of your Asus 634J and enhance its performance. If you have any questions or need assistance, our team is here to help. With our no calls, no travel service, we make it easy for you to get the support you need without the hassle. Thank you for following along, and happy maintaining. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.